A blessed day to all of you senior high school students. So this will be the final lesson under the basic concept of hazard, which is the impact of various hazards. So hazards produce different impacts to people, animals, industry, and agriculture. So the impacts may greatly affect these factors. So all types of hazard can be primary, secondary, and tertiary effects. We have the primary. These are those which occur as a consequence of the hazard itself. Example, yung clogging of water drainage during flood, and buildings collapse during an earthquake. So it is the primary effect. We have the secondary effects. These are the result or outcome of primary effects of hazards. So example, the ignition of fire as a result of earthquakes. So earthquake is the primary effect, and then secondary is the ignition of fire. Next example is electrical power and water service interruption as a result of an earthquake. So as a primary again is primary effects yung earthquake, and yung secondary is yung pagkawala ng power and water services. Last one is the tertiary effect. So these are the long-term effects as a result of a primary event. So long-term. Example, yung loss of habitat caused by a flood. So halimbawa yan pagkawala ng tirahan ng ating mga wild animals. Next, yung permanent changes in the position of river channel caused by flood. So, dahil sa mataas ng tubig, di ba, nagkakaroon ng different position ng channel. And also, yung crop failure caused by a volcanic eruption. So, once na pumutok ang bulkan, so magkakaroon ng lahar, di ba? Anong mangyayari sa ating mga bukirin? So, matagal tatamnan, di ba? Matagal bago matamnan ulit kasi nga natabunan ng lahar. So, basta tertiary, matagal yung kanyang effect. So, that's the end of our lesson about the basic concept of hazard. So, I will end our discussion for this day by reading the verse from the book of Psalms, chapter 46, verses 1 to 2. It says, God is our refuge and strength, an ever-present help in trouble. Therefore, we will not fear, though the earth give way and the mountains fall into the heart of the sea. So that's all for this day. Have a nice day and God bless us all.